Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the initial app setup process for the Narwal Flow 2. If you're interested in the Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where we have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop all the links in the description. Now let's go ahead, let's get our Flow 2 set up. So we have the Narwal app downloaded. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Search for it and download it from your app store, sign in or create an account. Then you'll be on this screen where we can view our other connected devices. We need to add our new device, so top right hand corner, hit the plus icon. We can either select our device or scan our device. It's actually showing up as a nearby device as well. But let's go ahead just for fun. Let's fire up the camera here. We'll scan the code. Now we're prompted to make sure we connect the dock to power, make sure the vacuum is powered on, which we're going to do that right now. It is powered on already. The light just wasn't on, no big deal. Select next. Now at this stage, connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot. Next. And now it's scanning for the device.
Narwal.
Now it's working on connecting to the device.
Network connecting. Please wait.
Got the voice prompt, network's connecting, please wait.
Network connected.
Now we wait for the app to catch up. There we go, Flow 2, agree and proceed. So we can join now or later if we want, the user experience plan. We'll join that. And now we're taken into our device, so take a look here. Everything is being set up. The first screen we get when it initializes is to initiate a quick mapping, and that's what you're going to want to do next. But super simple to set this up and connect. Now at this stage, to finish everything, you would create a map, and then you can customize your cleaning setting, and then you can start using the Flow 2.